There's nothing like a good summer road trip. The music is up, snacks are packed, and your best friends and family are in the car. But before you hit the highway, let's make sure you're not just excited, you're prepared. Hey everybody, it's your girl PermaQuiz Liz with Drivers Ed Direct, and welcome to our fourth and final video for our summer series. Here are my top 6 things you need to know for a safe summer road trip. Number 1, do a full pre-trip check. Before you even start the engine, make sure to check your tire pressure, fluid levels, especially coolant and oil, and make sure your lights and wipers are working properly. You want to do this ahead of time and not just on the morning of your trip. That way, if anything seems off, you have time to have it looked at. You don't want car trouble in the middle of nowhere. Number 2, pack for comfort and emergencies. Yes, you want to bring snacks and your playlist, but also keep a basic emergency kit with things such as water bottles, phone charger, jumper cables, and a first aid kit. Some stores and websites sell pre-made car emergency kits, but you can totally build your own if you'd like. I recommend doing some research ahead of time so you can build your own emergency kit with all the things that you may need. Number 3, plan your stops. Don't wait until you're running on empty or low battery. If you're driving a gas-powered car, plan your fuel stops in advance. EV drivers, make sure to map out charging stations along your route and factor in the time to recharge. And regardless of what you drive, take rest breaks every 2 to 3 hours to stretch, snack, and reset. That's going to make you feel better and it's going to make you a safer driver. Number 4, check your route ahead of time. Before you leave, look up any construction zones, detours, or weather alerts along the route. Summer can bring unexpected delays like road closures, heavy rain, or high heat warnings. So it's smart to be in the know before you go. A little planning can save you from a lot of stress later. Number 5, know the rules in other states. If you're crossing state lines, remember driving laws can change. Speed limits, phone use, and even left lane rules might be different. A quick check before you go helps you avoid surprises and tickets. And last but not least, stay flexible, not reckless. Summer road trips are supposed to be fun, not rushed. So if you hit traffic or delays, take a deep breath. Speeding, weaving through traffic, or driving while tired only puts you and others at risk. Take your time and just enjoy the ride. Summer road trips make the best memories, but only if you make it there safely. So prep your car, check your route, and stay alert. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great and safe summer. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Drivers Ed Direct for more helpful tips, not just in the summer, but year-round. Bye, everybody.